In this video, we're going to learn about the for in loop. So the for in statement iterates over all enumerable properties of an object that are keyed by strings, including inherited enumerable properties. So let's create a const of user and let's assign it first name of Norbert and the last name of Meinhardt. And let me also give it an age. Age 40. And did I close this up here? Yep, there we go. Now, the for in is, well, almost the same as a for loop, but instead of having for and I equals to something something, we would use let and now a variable, and let's just call it k in user. Okay, so we taking this variable and going through each property of the object. So first let's grab onto the keys. So let's say console log k, and this will give me each key, first name, last name, age. And now let's grab onto the values. And for this, I would need to use user dot, and now this, now I need to put the k in an array, not user dot, but user, and this will give me the values. So Norbert, Meinhardt, and 40. And actually, let me type it like this so you will have both of them. So these are the keys. Let's type in here comment get keys, and here get values. Now if we want both the keys and the values, so actually the properties, we would do something like console log, and I'll use a temporary literal of the variable key and its value. So user and k. Okay, so let me comment this to out up here and hit save, and we will get first name Norbert, last name Meinhardt, and age 40. Okay guys, so that's first of all it for in. See you in the next one. And let me actually cut this out, paste it in our loops, and that's it. So see you soon. Bye bye.